Hi everyone, good morning. It's March 11th, and here is just a bit of a wrap, a summary of what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be working on social studies, and we're going to be talking about migration and push and pull factors that we might see when people choose to immigrate or emigrate into a country or out of another country. We'll be doing some activities around this, and that's what we're going to be working on today. So as we discussed the other day in social studies, oftentimes people will migrate or leave a country and move to another country. This is called migration. And as we discussed in class, there is many reasons why someone may choose to migrate. And these are called push factors. As we had previously discussed, some push factors might be economic reasons. For example, a person moving to find a job. It could be for political reasons. Like, for example, if there was war in that country, or was a war-torn country, people would migrate and move elsewhere. We also discussed forced migration, which occurs sometimes when there is a natural disaster where someone's living and they are kind of forced to leave their home. It's not really that they want to, it's more that they have to out of necessity. Pull factors are reasons why people would move to a new place. So as we discussed, if somebody was moving from Iraq to Canada, one pull factor might be safety. A pull factor could be employment. A pull factor could be, because family is there and they're moving to be closer to relatives. So there are different pull factors that will affect why someone leaves a country, their home country, and moves to a different country. So as we discussed, there's immigrated, which means you move here from another country. That would be somebody who moved to Canada from another country. Emigrated is when you're leaving Canada to move to another country. So we read page 49 in our book when we were last together. And what I'd like to do is I'd like you to read the next 3 sections. I want you to look at the headers on top of each section and try to maybe make some predictions before you read the section about what information you might kind of uncover as you read. Once you're done, there will be questions posted in the Google Classroom that go along with page 49 for you to do. So those are the page numbers up there. All this information can be found between pages 49 and 51 in your book. And these are the 5 different headings you're going to run into. So the 5 different sections you're going to run into are migration, factors that would affect migration, as we discussed, those push and pull factors will be listed there. Migration and population, so why people migrate and how that affects the population of their area. We also talked about something called the brain drain, whereas we've seen more people in white-collar kind of jobs moving to new countries because that's where they're needed, and as a result, it creates a deficit or a lack of that certain occupation in their own country. Rural to urban migration, and as I said previously in the video, forced migration, which is when someone is forced to leave their home, but it's kind of more that they don't have a choice. They have to leave. So you can complete the questions in the Google Classroom regarding your social studies assignment. If there are any questions, please message me through the classroom and let me know, and I will be available all day to answer those questions for you. And good luck.